In the morning analysis, I asked you to remain long on gold above 1880 and see it has achieved 1887. Likewise, I asked you to remain long on oil above 75.2 and see it has achieved $77 level. So now what to expect in these two? Which position you should take with the US cash session? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and keep yourself updated with the daily analysis which I share twice in the day for these two. Once the Asia session, next is this analysis with the US session. Do watch both the analysis. Now look, let's start first with gold followed with crude oil WTI. So do watch till the end. Now see on the hourly charts, you can connect these two peaks. You can connect the bottom. It is trying to trade in this channel. Support here at 1875 now. Below 1875, you can expect 1870 as the next target, and below that, further drop might take it till towards 65-60 levels. So yes, you need to wait. A good bearish move is only once it trades below 1870 levels. So those who want to trade cautious, those who want to trade safe should only sell below these levels. At the same time, see 1885 once again as expected provided it a resistance. So we need to wait and watch how it behaves at those levels. Directional movement moderately bearish, stochastic dropping from the overbought zone. The MACD has crossed over for a sell entry again, and the RSI is looking downwards. And similar observation on the 2-hour charts. It is trying to trade in this channel. This is a bullish channel here, waiting for a breakout either which ways. Directional movement moderately bullish here, stochastic dropping from the highs. The MACD is bearish, RSI is also dropped a bit, and similar observation on the 3-hour charts. But remember, on the 3-hour charts, see this fact that this is the first red candle here, and there is a possibility that, because see, after such a reversal, it is trying to provide a symmetrical candle, which means that it is going to erase the gains which it has seen, and probably the next candle will decide its direction. Hence you need to wait a little for taking a position. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic dropping from the highs. The MACD on the 3-hour charts is still bearish, RSI looking down. Similar observation on the 4-hour chart. This is the first red candle. Probably there could be a follow-up red candle too, and hence you need to be cautious there. On the upside, yes, you can buy here at, see where this started, 1884 levels. So yes, you can buy once you see it trading above 1884-85 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic has seen a good drop. The MACD bearish here, same observation what we see on the 3-hour charts, and it was overbought on the RSI, and we can see a good drop there. Now look at the daily charts. What does the daily charts trying to do? See first these 3 candles, triple bottom, and if you connect the dots, you will find this is an expanding triangle, and this is certainly giving it a good swing. On the downside, 1870 is a good support. On the upside, 1885 levels are a good resistance. Directional movement bullish, stochastic is overbought, and if this time it drops, this might take it further down. Directional movement moderately bullish, RSI overbought. Considering this, yes, below 1874 you can sell. Expect 1870 levels first, and then below that 1865 60, 55 50, and 1840 till 1824. Anyways, one can remain long for the month of January. That is what the work date I have shared since last 10 days, since the beginning of this year. I have been telling you one can stay long till the time gold trades above 1824. This needs to be remembered. At the same time, on the upside, now it is already achieved 1887. So probably you can buy at 1882, expect 1885. See, actually 1884-85 is a good resistance. See, it tried to breach it once and got the pullback immediately. It failed to stay even for a few minutes, and then it got the pullback on the downside, and hence you can buy 1882 levels, expected to rise till 1884-85, and in fact beyond that 1891 is something I'll be looking forward to. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss in between 74 and 82. Do not take any trade on the upside. Be cautious of 1884-85 zone. Beyond that, further bullishness can be expected. Now let's have a look at crude oil, and yes, if you want to join my mentorship batch, reach out to me for more details via Telegram or email. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for oil. We talked about this in the morning analysis, that once it trades beyond 75.2, certainly one can expect it to achieve highs, and see it has achieved 77 levels again, and see 77, 78, these two levels are going to provide maximum resistance. Right now it is trading at 77. only sell entry now is below 76 point, you can say 76 levels, below 76.5 or 76. You can expect little more bearishness till the time, probably nothing to sell here. It is bullish on the hourly charts, stochastic overbought, MACD is bullish, RSI is also overbought here, but it has got the momentum. It may continue to trade with this bullish momentum for a little while. Now look at the 2-hour charts. Likewise on the 2-hour chart, see this, trying to trade in this channel. Probably now it is looking forward to see till 78 levels. It has got very strong resistance. We talked about this today's morning analysis. Yesterday's both the analysis I had warned you about this, and I told you that there is a possibility of a ride. Yesterday also it achieved 77. Now it is looking forward to 78 this time. We talked about this breakout in the morning analysis as well. Directional movement here is bullish, stochastic overbought, MACD is bullish, RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, on the 3-hour charts also it is trying to give a breakout, but see there is going to be resistance in between 77 78. Those who are long from 75.2 must try to book profit somewhere here, and probably once it trades below 75 76 levels, that is the time below which it may try to show you a little more bearishness. So rather I will say only bearishness is below 75.5. Till the time, every drop is an opportunity to buy. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking upwards, MACD bullish, RSI is also showing strength, trying to look upwards here. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, so clearly it is trying to trade within this beautiful channel here, and probably see rise, retracement, and any point of time if you see a breakout on the downside, that is only applicable if you see it trading below 75 74 levels. So till the time, probably should not consider this as bearish. At the same time, only bullish reversal confirmation is if it trades above 78, then 79.2, and then above 80 levels, and hence you should trade accordingly. Directional movement here is bullish, stochastic looking upwards, MACD is bullish here, and RSI is also looking upwards. Now look at the daily charts. It has created the base, trying to reverse. There is resistance at 78, and then 79.280 levels can be expected. These two are very good resistance. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic rising from the oversold zone, MACD converging here, RSI looking upwards too. Considering this, possibly, now see, those who watched morning analysis definitely would have stayed long, and 75.2 were the levels. Now only safe long entry is above 75.2, else see it has got resistance in between 77 78 zone. Probably we will observe a bit how it behaves here at 78 77 zone, and once it breaks beyond 78, further bullishness might take it for 78.4 79.2, and then beyond that 80 levels to be seen. So take your positions accordingly. Only sell entry I will recommend is below 76 levels, rather I will say 75.5 levels, below which 75 74.5 74 and below levels can be expected. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.